already played roulette and we've hit the craps table at the Mechanic Casino. So let's see how we get on with slots. So I'm going to get the cards out of the box and I'm going to ask you to call out stop anywhere you like. So say stop somewhere there. So that's going to be your card, going to be your bet for this trick. And I'm going to lose your card in the center of the slot machine. So this is actually a slot machine. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So your card is lost in the middle of the deck. It does cost money to play slots, and I'm going to give you a couple of goes. So first coin, I'm going to place into the box. We're going to see where the wheels stop. So have a look in here. You can see it does animate, and let's see where it stops. 7 diamond. So you didn't get lucky that time. Let's just reset the wheel quickly and give this a cut. I'm going to give you another chance. Second coin goes into the box. Let's see how lucky you are this time. Let's spin the wheels. Boom. Oh my god, we've got $3 signs. That must mean we've hit the jackpot. So what was your card? Your card, 10 of spades. Congratulations, that's the jackpot. Well, if you did hit the jackpot, the 2 coins that you bet with earlier should really turn into a whole bunch more. Jackpot, baby. Okay.